Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called COWIN. If you guys remember, I actually reviewed a lot of products by this brand, and this is just another product by this brand that's called the SE7. And if you guys remember, I actually reviewed one of these products before in a couple of my videos, and I'll put all the links in the description box down below so you can go check it out if you guys want to. But pretty much this one is a different color, and I wanted to do like an update video about this product to let you guys know how it's been and all the kind of like feedback that I have about the product after using it for quite some time and this new color that I just got. So first thing first, let me unbox it first to show you guys what comes inside the package. So right out the bat, when you open the package, we have a donation card where it tells you that every purchase for one of the products on COWIN, they actually donate $1 to someone in need, which is really cool and really amazing. And then they have a VIP card where you can go sign up for discounts and warranty and all that good stuff. They provide you another like thank you card of like purchasing the products and whatnot. So they really do care about the customer service a lot. So this is an amazing product, amazing brand that they continue to strive on customer support and amazing products pretty much. And then here's the instruction guide and manual in English, Chinese, and other languages that are all on here, which is really nice. You guys can see right there. So usually the main winner about COWIN products is usually their amazing quality, but on top of all that is the fact that they provide you these amazing cases. So here is the case that it comes with. If you guys can see, there's a very nice little handle, the little logo right there, zipper to open and close it. And the really cool thing about this one in particular is the fact that it is foldable, so it can fit into this small little bag. So when we open it up, this is what the headphone looks like. It comes with all the accessories that you guys probably need in here. So let me actually show you guys that first before I show you guys the headphone. So they provide you all the cables that you need to charge the product, a aux cord, and then I believe there's one more thing in here. So let me double check. Yeah, so there's all these other accessories to plug in the actual headphone onto different type of scenarios, so like the airplane or whatever it may be. So like these would be the one you guys would probably be using on the airplane on their special aux cord on the plane. And then there's some other ones right here that you can use too, which is really cool. So they thought about everything for like traveling or like office use or whatever it may be when it comes to using these headphones. And it comes with a small little bag right here, which is pretty cool. And it's not like a cheap bag, it's like a pretty decent quality bag, which is cool. And for some of you guys, you're probably saying, oh, I already saw your last video about this, why are you showing this again? I just want to do like update video because I got this different color option and just to let you guys know how it's been. So last time you guys saw the video, I actually did one for the black headphone. This time I got one for the green one because of how amazing the color is. Like if you guys looking right now, it doesn't even look that green of a color on the actual camera. It looks kind of like a bluish green color, which is really amazing. Like for me, I love blue. So let me show you guys what it looks like when I put it on. So when you guys put it on, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really nice. It blends in so well with the hat and everything that I have on, which is really cool. And just to bring this on the go is pretty amazing too. Like if you guys remember how I mentioned like these AirPods are really amazing. Like it feels so comfortable. It's definitely comparable to the Bose quiet headphones. And just the fact of like how compact, like you guys can fold this on the go is like such a big winner for me. So I personally have not used it for traveling yet for this specific color yet, but for my black one, when I bring on travels and everything, it's amazing. Like it's so lightweight, it's so compact, so portable. You guys can put this around your neck if you guys are not using it. Put it over your ears if you guys want because it won't bother you, and it's so comfortable that you guys can leave this on for hours and hours and you will be fine. Like to be honest, I think these are actually even more comfortable than like the Sony headphones I showed you guys in the past. And then all the different functionalities on here are still the same as the black ones. So you guys have the noise cancellation button, there's a volume up and volume down button, there's a power on and off switch. And then right here is where you guys would plug in the aux if you guys want to use the option. And if you guys look right there, we have the micro USB slot to actually charge the product. And right here is the mic where you guys can actually talk stuff. And the clarity on this product is really, really clear as well. It's obviously not as clear as like a blue microphone or some professional microphone, but the mic that you guys can use here is definitely comparable to a lot of microphones with clear audio. And if you guys want to find out whether or not that's the case, you guys just get one for yourself and try it out for yourself. I was actually able to test it and make a couple calls and see how it performs. Audio wise for the microphone is really nice, amazing for calls, amazing for traveling. Audio just for music in general is amazing. The bass is amazing. Noise cancellation is definitely up there, comparable to other brands out there. I wouldn't say it's the best one out of all the headphones I test for noise cancellation, but it's definitely up there. And I am willing to sacrifice a little bit of the noise cancellation technology to like still hear a little bit of the surroundings, so I can have a better headphone for like a better audio, better bass, better portability, and all that good stuff. And this color is another winner for me now. Like, this is obviously so much more amazing design color compared to the black one, honestly. Like, don't get me wrong, the black one looks amazing, but for me, I love this one. And there are other colors option out there. There's gold, purple, red, this one, and black. So you guys can choose between all those options. So with all that being said, and kind of giving you guys a feedback about this product, would I say that this product is still worth it for $120 even till this day after testing it for so long and getting these new colors? Obviously it is worth it if you guys are in that budget range. If you guys don't have that much money, then obviously you guys can go for the cheaper option of like the COWIN E7 Pro or COWIN E7. Definitely will not perform as good as this one, and the quality of like the AirPad is not the same. This one is definitely one of the best ones that COWIN made so far out of all the headphones that they have in the market. At least that's what I believe, because I tested their E7, E7 Pro, E8, and also this one now, and this one is definitely the best one of the best because it has everything that you possibly want. You guys can actually listen this for like 2 whole days without even charging it before you guys actually need to charge it. But other than that, that's much it for the little feedback and unboxing of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and let me know what you guys think about these headphones. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have